Proud. I am proud of you. For example, I have a daughter, and my daughter got a good grade at school in her math test. She took a math test, she got a 10, and I am very proud of her. I'm proud of you. Yeah, that's my daughter, see? That's my girl, huh? I'm proud of my daughter. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's it. That's what it means. Or I'm studying hard. I'm trying to learn a new language, and then I learn some words and sentences, and I can pronounce the words and make sentences. Now I'm proud of myself. You see, I can do it. I'm proud of myself. You got it?
Yes.
Yes, proud is an adjective, and it's how I feel. When I am proud of someone, I feel proud. I feel proud. Now I am proud of you because you are working hard. You're doing your activities. You're practicing all the time. I'm very proud of you. That's my student. You see? She's my student. I'm proud of you. Do you understand? Proud? Let me explain the word invite. Invite is a verb. So, for example, I'm throwing a party next Sunday. It's my party next Sunday, right? And then I say, Yola, come to my party. Come to my party. So I am inviting you. That's what invite means. I invite you to come to my party. Invitation is the object. For example, the paper. I write, come to my party on Sunday, and give it to you. It's an invitation. So invite is the verb, invitation is the noun. I give you an invitation. Envious. Imagine you have a small house, right? A simple house. And your neighbor has a big house, a beautiful house with a swimming pool, a big garage for 3 cars. Your neighbor has a fancy car. And then you look and you think, oh, I wish I had that house. My house is so small. My neighbor's house is so big. Oh, I like that. You see? You are envious of your neighbor. That's how you feel when you want what someone else has, because you think what they have is better than what you have. So you're envious, right? Are you envious of your neighbor?
Neighbor.
Okay, neighbor. This is your house.
Yes.
This is your neighbor's house.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Your neighbor. Are you envious of your neighbor?
No.
No. You have a beautiful house, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Carpool. You have kids, they go to school, so you drive your kids to school. Your neighbor also has kids, and your neighbor also drives his kids to school. But then you decide to carpool, which means you share a car. Instead of you driving your kids to school and he driving his kids to school, you carpool, which means you drive all kids to school in the same car, right? Or he drives all the kids to school in the same car. You carpool. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes. So to carpool means to share the same car. Do you ever carpool?
Yes, I did it.
You did it? Yes? Neither can I. Neither do I. Neither will I. If it's negative, if I don't like pizza and you don't like pizza either, you could either say, me neither. So I don't like pizza, me neither.
Me neither.
The same way you do with me too, right? I like pizza, me too. I don't like pizza, me neither. Or I don't like tea, neither do I. Neither do I. I didn't go home, neither did I. I won't study, I will not study, neither will I. Got it? I can't drive.
Neither can I.
Neither can I. I shouldn't go to that party.
Neither should I.
Neither should I. Neither should I. I didn't read that book.
Neither did I.
I wasn't home last night.
Neither was I.
I'm not interested.
Neither am I.
That's right. Very good. I won't stay home tomorrow. Neither will I. I wouldn't try that.
Neither would I.
Would I? That's right. Okay, you're ready. You're ready. So again, if you use me neither or me neither, it will not change. I don't like it, me neither. I'm not going, me neither. I won't see it, me neither. But if you use neither, do I, am I, you change it. You use the same from the first sentence. I'm not going, neither am I. I didn't like it, neither did I. I won't see it, neither will I. You got it?
Yeah.
That's right.